Keep a close eye on the tropics here for tonight. Of course, all eyes and all conversations have been about Hurricane Isaias and if it's going to be coming to Southwest Florida. Right now, that answer is no. It looks like the track is going to be keeping it over on the East Coast, but as you know, with meteorology and with weather, things can change. But right now, our best forecast estimate right now is this thing is going to be staying over on the East Coast as it makes its way off towards the north and west. But we'll track it for you nonetheless. Here's what we're expecting right now. You can see there it is. Big thunderstorms trying to fire up near the center. But notice all the cloud elements blowing off to the north and east. There's wind shear in the mid and upper level parts of the atmosphere that is kind of undercutting this thing. And that's a lot of time with these tropical systems. Whenever there's wind shear in play, they don't intensify as quickly as they otherwise would if the winds in the upper atmosphere were lighter. So it's dealing with some wind shear and some dry air right now. But there has been some very small intensification this evening. Winds up to 80 miles an hour. Pressure at 987 millibars. That's down from 991 earlier. So a lower pressure means an intensifying storm. So we'll see if that pressure at the 11 o'clock advisory drops down even more. Forecast cone shifted west early today with the 5 o'clock advisory. You see the cone extends all the way through Highlands, through Polk County, all the way down into Broward County, and then, of course, offshore. Would not be surprised if this is shifted a little bit more towards the west, because I think what's likely going to happen is we're going to see this thing approach the coast right around West Palm, and it very well could come inland before turning north and then heading off towards the north and east. So what does all this mean for Southwest Florida? Looks like tomorrow you can proceed with your plans. What you'll notice is tomorrow morning when you wake up, there'll be sunny skies, there'll be a few clouds. You'll notice in the southeast sky, though, the outflow or the cirrus outflow from Isaias is going to be noticed on the horizon there to the south and east, looking over towards Miami. That is the outer edge of the storm as it pushes close to our area. And then as we go throughout the afternoon, we could see a few scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two. It'll turn a little breezy, especially later in the day when the storm gets a little bit closer. And then it's going to be Saturday night into Sunday morning that we expect the worst weather over on the East Coast. But we do expect the worst of the weather to stay north and east of the center, which, if that's the case, is going to keep everything away from us. Computer model forecast tracks, again, have been pretty much honed in on that approach to the coast or perhaps a slight movement inland. These are the latest Gfs Ensembles. And notice some of the members do come over to Southwest Florida, but the tight clustering is right here. There's very good model agreement here over on the East Coast of that possibility of tropical storm force and hurricane force winds going all the way up towards the East Coast. We've got a slew of advisories, tropical storm watches for parts of Miami-Dade County, inland sections, tropical storm warnings for coastal Miami-Dade, all the way up to Orange County, up around the Orlando area. Hurricane watches in effect for inland portions of Palm Beach County, coastal Broward east of I-95. Hurricane warnings in effect from Brevard County, I should say, up towards the Volusia County line, southward down towards coastal Palm Beach. This is the trough of low pressure that will turn it, ridge of high pressure that is steering it right now, and we're expecting to go around that ridge and turn towards the north and east. That's why we're expecting the path that it will take. Here's a look at predictor. Notice that the storm, this is just one computer model, keep in mind, so it's not going to exactly behave this way, but it gives you an idea of what we're expecting. There's the core of the storm on the right side of your screen, approaching West Palm Beach by early Sunday morning, and then eventually pushing north of the area towards the Space Coast. Could see a few showers and storms tomorrow, probably a little better chance on Sunday for some afternoon showers and storms, but right now we do not expect any bad weather here in Southwest Florida from this system. 7-day forecast, breezy with a few isolated storms tomorrow, a few scattered storms on Sunday, temperatures in the low 90s, and then back to typical rainy season weather by next week.
Thank you, Darren.